Toyota revives Mk4 Supra dashboards through heritage parts program. The iconic Toyota Supra Mk4 is getting a critical lifeline. Toyota will now factory reproduce the notoriously fragile dashboard assembly. This move, part of the expanding GR Heritage Parts program, addresses a widespread issue for owners of the 1990s sports car. The original dashboards are prone to cracking, warping, and shrinking due to heat and sun exposure, making replacements difficult to find in good condition. The problem with original Mk4 Supra dashboards, the A80 Supra's dashboard, specifically the upper instrument panel stretching across the cockpit, is a known weak point. Unlike modern plastics, the original material degrades significantly over time. This leaves owners facing expensive and often unreliable aftermarket solutions, or a deteriorating interior. Toyota's solution: modern materials, original look. Toyota's new reproduction parts maintain the original design and texture while utilizing modern materials for improved durability. This ensures a factory-correct appearance without the long-term failure issues of the original component. The move reflects a growing demand for cosmetic and interior parts, not just mechanical ones, as collectors and enthusiasts seek to preserve these cars in original condition. Expanding GR Heritage Program. The GR Heritage Parts Program initially focused on mechanical components needed to keep older Toyotas running. However, customer requests for interior and body parts have increased substantially. Toyota now offers several hundred parts for models including the Supra, i86 Corolla, and even earlier generations of both. Availability will be through GR garage locations, Toyota dealerships, and approved parts outlets in Japan, with installation services also offered. Global demand expected. While currently limited to Japan, demand for the Mk4 Supra dashboard is expected to extend globally. The model's enduring popularity ensures strong interest in the reproduction parts. Toyota aims to maintain the original fit and look, while leveraging updated manufacturing processes for longevity. With this expansion of the GR Heritage Parts Program, Toyota is not only supporting classic car ownership, but also recognizing the growing collector market that values originality and preservation. The revival of this vital component ensures that the Supra Mk4 will remain on the road for generations to come.